Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Vivek Official CR7. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to appreciate someone or how to compliment someone or how to applaud someone. So आज की वीडियो में हम लोग सीखेंगे if someone has great job, good work, a tremendous work. तो किसी ने अगर अच्छा काम किया है तो उस कार्य की प्रशंसा हम कैसे करें. So without wasting our time, let's get into the video. So as you can see here, I have just jotted down here how to compliment means किसी की प्रशंसा हम कैसे करें. So जैसा कि वर्ड क्या है आपका कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो कॉम्प्लीमेंट मीन्स होता है यहाँ पे प्रशंसा, बट यहाँ पे आई है तो क्या हो जाएगा, जैसे COMPLI यहाँ पे आई रहेगा तो हो जाएगा व्हाट, इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ अप्रिसिएशन, इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ प्रेज. मीन्स यहाँ पे जब आई रहेगा तो हो जाएगा प्रशंसा. बट एक और कॉम्प्लीमेंट है जिसके मीन्स होता है क्या, पूरक. एक और कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो लेकिन उसकी स्पेलिंग हो जाएगी COMPLL के बाद EMENT. जैसे जहाँ पे आई है वहाँ पे ई हो जाएगा. इन प्लेस ऑफ आई यू विल फाइंड ओवर देयर ई. तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट मीन्स हो जाएगा पूरक. पूरक इन द सेंस he is a teacher. Actually this is sentence, he is a teacher. So teacher is here subjective complement. जो यहाँ पे टीचर है, he is a teacher. तो टीचर यहाँ पे क्या है, ये सब्जेक्टिव कॉम्प्लीमेंट है. मीन्स ये जो कॉम्प्लीमेंट किसका है, सब्जेक्ट का कॉम्प्लीमेंट है. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट द वर्ड्स. लेट्स सी द मेन पॉइंट. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज यू आर ट्रूली एक्सेप्शनल एट व्हाट यू डू. मीन्स आप सचमुच में असाधारण हो, अपवाद हो. It is kind of what, it is kind of appreciation, it is kind of praise. If someone has done a great job, I think whoever, suppose your friend has, you have got a good friend and he is doing any work, and while doing any work he has done something better what someone has done, like the simple way, but your friend has done in a tremendous, just like in an exquisite way. So that is way you can express over there. You can say you are truly exceptional at what you do. Means आप जो कुछ भी करते हो ना वो सचमुच एकदम असाधारण है. We can't believe on your work. So that is the very first one. Let's see second one is what, I am constantly impressed by your skills. Means मैं आपके जो आपका जो कौशल है, आपका जो स्किल है, मैं उससे क्या हूँ, मैं इम्प्रेस हूँ, प्रभावित हूँ. मैं लगातार प्रभावित हो रहा हूँ. सो लेट्स सी वेयर शुड आई अप्लाई हियर. सपोज आई एम योर, जैसा कि लिखा क्या है, आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली इम्प्रेस्ड बाय योर स्किल्स. मीन्स if you have got friend and your friend doing great job, and while doing job or while doing any work, I think the way he does any work, I think we can't follow him. Actually that is only your friend can do. And then after that we can say that, yeah, you are constantly doing a great skill, or you have a great tremendous skill to do that. And next one is, थर्ड वन इज़ यू हैव एन इनक्रेडिबल वर्क एथिक्स. मीन्स आपके पास आपके पास एक कुशल नीति है. किसी भी कार्य को करने की क्या है, कुशल नीति है. मीन्स if suppose if your teacher is going to teach you, and while teaching he has, suppose you are learning anything, so while learning you can you can say that, sir, your teaching skill is just like very incredible. I think no one can teach like you, because the way you express by the example, the way you express by the your hand gesture or body gesture, it seems you are really all these things just happening in front of me. So I think if you have got a really good teacher, so I think that the way he teach, and the way she or he express her feeling, I think all things will seems, all things will seem like it's just happening in front of everybody. So So you can speak here. You have an incredible work ethics. And next one is, your dedication is remarkable. Means if someone, if someone has doing, any work, and I think whatever he is doing, just he has, he is just like focused. He is just like a focused person. When he start doing anything, he never care, he never take care about anything. And whatever he have, he try to purify it. He try to, he try to give 100% of, of his mind, of his soul. Even he try to his level best. So you can speak over there, what, your dedication is remarkable. Means he never try to, cross his body or cross his mind. He can't live without his game, or you can say em. So that time you can speak over here, your dedication is remarkable. And next one is, you are inspiration to others. क्या है, यू आर इंस्पिरेशन टू अदर. मीन्स आप मतलब सबके लिए क्या है, एक प्रेरणा हो, एक इंस्पिरेशन हो. बिकॉज बट इट इज़ वेरी टफ वर्क to be inspiration to others. Because if you haven't done a good job, if you haven't done any work for the welfare of society, or means you have to give 100% at any work. If you are good at your communication, if you are good at your learning, if you are good at your study, if you get good at your playing game, so I think that time you can teach or you can preach someone. Otherwise you haven't got any kinds of ideas, you haven't you haven't got any kinds of ethics and moral and skills, so you can't preach someone. If you start preaching someone, so they will think that you haven't got anything and you are just going to preach. It is not easy to say. So before saying anything, or before doing anything, first of all we have to manage ourselves. First we have to face all the situation and circumstances. While facing circumstances and facing circumstances and problem, then we can learn from the circumstances. Otherwise, without experience, without experiencing any kinds of knowledge or any kinds of situation, we can't express ourselves. When you have got a good experience towards your work, then you can express yourself. So that is why I have just jotted in here, you are inspiration to others. Means when you do lot of works for all the for I think for everybody, or you can say कि मतलब सबके लिए और ऐसा काम करिए ताकि then you can be inspiration to others. Otherwise no one is going to follow you, just they are going to just blame you, he just doing his work and nothing else. So first of all we be a benefactor. So today I have told you about how to compliment someone. In this video I think we have I have provided I think 4 or 5 sentence. I think if you use in your your life, your sentence, that will be very beneficial for you. Thank you.